Welcome back to our channel. This is step 3 of our carport to kitchen conversion, where we begin the demolition phase. Before any work starts, we take extra precautions to protect the homeowner's house. Floors are fully covered, nearby rooms are sealed off, and dust control measures are in place to keep the rest of the home clean, safe, and undisturbed. During this phase, we carefully remove the walls that are no longer needed and demolish the old kitchen, all while following the approved design plan. Every step is done with care to protect the home and prepare the space for the new kitchen layout. Once demolition is complete, we place a dumpster on site, remove all debris, and thoroughly clean the area. Up next, framing begins. Looking to refresh your home? At DC Home Remodeling, we specialize in turning your ideas into reality. Whether it's a remodel or home addition, we're here to make your dream space come alive. With our expert craftsmanship and personalized service, we'll work closely with you to create a home you'll truly love. Why hire us? Enjoy expert craftsmanship, personalized designs, timely project completion, quality materials, and increased home value. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. First, skipping proper planning can lead to unexpected costs down the line. Second, not sticking to a realistic budget often ends up in overspending. Third, choosing low-quality materials might save you money now, but can lead to expensive repairs later. Fourth, ignoring local building codes can get you into trouble with fines and delays. Finally, trying to handle everything yourself without professional help can result in costly mistakes. We take pride in every detail because we treat every home like our own. For a stress-free experience with a reliable contractor, call us at 703-9803-266 or visit www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We look forward to helping make your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable.